European Space Agency's assessment of asteroid 2024 YR4. About a week ago, the European Space Agency, ESA, assessed the probability of asteroid 2024 YR4 colliding with Earth. It estimated a 1.3% chance of impact on December 22nd of the same year, the day the asteroid will make its closest approach to our planet. In other words, there was an almost 99% probability that it would pass by Earth without causing any impact. This asteroid measures approximately 300 feet, 90 meters in diameter, according to NASA-funded astronomers who detected it using a telescope in Chile just before the new year. Its size is comparable to that of the Tunguska asteroid, which devastated approximately 2,150 square kilometers of remote Siberian forest when it exploded in 1908. Despite the concern raised by this discovery, astronomers urge Earth's inhabitants not to panic. Even though 2024 YR4 has been placed at the top of risk lists on both sides of the Atlantic. The asteroid has received a rare rating of 3 on the Torino Impact Hazard Scale, which ranges from 0, no risk, to 10, a civilization-threatening catastrophe. Uncertainty and impact predictions. Experts emphasize that fluctuations in impact probabilities are common, especially when an asteroid is still far from Earth. In a YouTube video titled How Asteroids Go from Threat to No Sweat, ESA explained that the likelihood of 2024 YR4 hitting Earth will drop to nearly 0 once updated data on its speed and trajectory is collected in the coming weeks and months. NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office supports this assessment. Researcher Molly Wasser stated, "In the past, several objects have risen on the risk list and were later removed as additional data became available. New observations may result in this asteroid being reassigned to a zero-risk level." In an interview with The Guardian last week, Colin Snodgrass, a professor of planetary astronomy at the University of Edinburgh, stated, "Most likely this asteroid will pass harmlessly. However, it deserves further observation with telescopes until we can confirm that. The longer we track its orbit, the more accurate our future predictions of its trajectory become." Similar cases reinforce this outlook. There have been numerous instances where asteroids initially seemed dangerous but were later found to pose no real threat after further analysis. For example, the 99,942 Apophis asteroid, discovered in 2004, was initially given a Torino Scale rating of 4. However, after additional studies, it was determined that Apophis will not pose a threat to Earth for at least the next 100 years. What if 2024 YR4 continues on a collision course? This is where modern technology plays a crucial role. In 2022, NASA successfully carried out the DART mission, in which a spacecraft was deliberately crashed into an asteroid the size of a football stadium, altering its trajectory. This mission proved that humanity has the capability to redirect asteroids if necessary. Regarding this, Snodgrass stated, "This asteroid is of a scale where a mission like DART could be effective if needed. We have the technology, and it has already been tested." Conclusion. While asteroid 2024 YR4 currently ranks high on risk lists, scientists emphasize that additional data will most likely eliminate the threat of impact entirely. Even in the unlikely scenario that it continues to pose a risk, advancements in planetary defense technologies provide humanity with a strong chance to counter it effectively.